The blind spot warning, or BSW, and blind spot intervention, or BSI Systems, if so equipped, can help alert the driver of other vehicles in adjacent lanes when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to detect other vehicles in an adjacent lane. In addition to the radar sensors, the BSI system uses a camera installed in the front of the inside rearview mirror to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects vehicles in the detection zone and the vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than 32 kilometers per hour, the blind spot warning indicator light on the inside of the affected side's front door illuminates. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning indicator light will flash. The blind spot intervention system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone. You are driving at speeds above approximately 60 kilometers per hour and your vehicle is approaching a lane marker. The BSI system operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and help the driver return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. When the BSI system is on, a green indicator light in the vehicle information display is illuminated. The BSI system will operate when activated even if the BSW system is off. To enable or disable the BSW or BSI systems, press the menu button on the control panel. Touch the right arrow on the screen. Touch Driver Assistance on the lower touchscreen display. Then touch Blind Spot Assist. Then Blind Spot Warning or Blind Spot Intervention to toggle the feature on or off. Once enabled, the BSI system can be activated by pushing the Dynamic Driver Assistance switch on the right side of the steering wheel. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.